welcome to day 17 of the February Follies. What have we here? Oh, okay. Dump and swirl. Man, I haven't done one of those in forever. Okay, today for our dump and swirl colors. I'm kind of excited. I haven't done one of these in forever. I have Deco Art Extreme Sheen in Jadeite. I have Folk Art Color Shift Purple Flash. I have Deco Art Extreme Sheen Sapphire. I have Deco Art Extreme Sheen 24 karat gold. I'll do those all again. I hope I'm doing this right. Like I said, it's been a minute, y'all. Okay. Got a lot of bubbles. Just mixed these up. Like, just. Okay, now we're gonna apply our black, which is mixed just a little thinner than these, which are mixed pretty thin. I'm gonna torch those a little. As always, I have just mixed every one of these colors up, so we do have some bubblage. I'm going to pour this right in the middle. That should be plenty, because it only takes about 7 ounces, and I've probably got a good 10 or 11 on here. I'm going to do that again with the torch. This is kind of like tilting pearls. You don't take your time. So let's just get with it. Get on with the show. Okay, I can see stuff coming. Just a little, wouldn't mind getting rid of a little more off that corner. Okay, I'm gonna put this on time lapse and let you watch this come up while I clean up some mess. Okay, here we our wet results. I don't think a lot more will pop up in that corner. I'm not sure. I just did a wet results, but I did it on time lapse, so we're going to do it again. I think that a lot of my purple seems to have disappeared. There's some of it you can see. I don't know whether it's because, you know, the metallic bits like to float on the surface. Maybe, but I mean, you can see shades of it. It's just not predominant. Like there's some right in the middle there. But I do like the way that this turned out. We're getting down here toward this bottom corner. Look at that. Look at that. That's so pretty. Nice. I think that's mostly jadeite in that corner. I think it just turned out really pretty. Here's our big black hole. I don't think a lot more will probably come up in that corner. That's sort of the nature of these, is you end up with, you know, the black hole. I'm glad that I poured a lot more off of that corner. If I would have continued to pour off that corner, I might not have such a big spot, but I don't mind it. It looks like the colors just kind of come exploding out of there, or maybe they're sinking into the black hole. Let's go see about sparklies. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna have a problem with sparklies. What do you think? Given that 3 of the 4 colors I used are actually called extreme sheen, and the other one is a shift, you can see sort of more of the purple on this view, probably just because the light's shining straight on it. But look at that. Wow, gold for days. And the other colors are there too, you know, so that's really kind of cool. Man, I didn't think we'd have a problem finding sparkly. Something just told me that that wasn't going to be an issue. I was right. Lots more of the purple over here. Yeah, there we go. So, hey, thanks for coming to hang out with me today. And thank you for all the support over these years of doing this. I really do appreciate it, all you longtime subscribers. Y'all been here through the whole thing. And if you're new here, hey, welcome to the party. It's big time. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. I'll get back to you. I'm a blabbermouth. So, again, thanks for coming. And I'll see you guys next time.